In this video, I'm going to share with you 9 tips for brand new affiliate marketers. Now, these tips are actually based on my experiences and how I failed with affiliate marketing, so I want to help you out to make sure that you don't go down that same path. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to this channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload brand new videos. Also, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, I'm Alston with AlstonGodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I want to help you. So as I mentioned, I'm going to list 9 tips that you can take advantage of, that you can learn from me to start making passive income much faster. Tip number 1 is simply to learn email marketing. If you don't take anything away from this video and my channel, I want you to start email marketing today if you're not already doing it. The #1 reason why you want to do email marketing is simply because you need email marketing. 85% of people don't buy right away. And so if you're not following up with those leads with emails, you're simply warming customers up for other affiliate marketers. Look at the major affiliate marketers that are in your space. They're all doing email marketing. So if it's good enough for them, it is good enough for you. Number 2, I recommend that you pick one product to start. Now, I know it can be enticing to become an affiliate for 15 different products, but what I want you to do and what I recommend that you should do is find one product, promote that one product, become the expert, know what's good about it, what's bad about it. Actually knowing the cons or some of the negative things about that product will help you be a better marketer because you can offer bonuses, which I'll talk about in just a moment. Number 3, I recommend that you pick 2 traffic sources. Now, I think you should have a primary traffic source and a secondary traffic source. In my opinion, a primary traffic source is where you create long-form content, your blogs, your podcasts, your YouTube. The reason why I call these primary traffic sources is because they can appreciate in value. What that means is you create one video today, and then 6 months from now, that video is still working hard for you. Then you have your secondary platforms. Now, your secondary platforms are going to be your TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, anything that provides short bursts of information. The reason why I think they're secondary is simply because they don't have the staying power of a blog, a YouTube, or even a podcast. And so I think that what you should do is you should create content on your primary platform, maybe a couple times, 3 times per week, and then use your secondary platform to push your audience to your primary or your long form content. When you do this, you're actually able to grow faster and you're going to start making passive income much quicker. I know that I started growing faster when I did this method with Quora. If you look over on Quora, you can answer basic questions about whatever your niche is, and people will start to know, like, and trust you. Once they know, like, and trust you, you can send them to your landing pages or even your YouTube channel if you have one, to start building an online business. There are a number of benefits to doing this. If you are sending people from Quora to your YouTube channel, YouTube sees that you are adding value and they're going to be more willing to push your content out to more people. Also, if you're building your email list, you can use your email list to help you seed your YouTube channel, and boom, once again, you are going to grow much further, faster, farther. Number 4, I recommend that you pay to scale, but don't pay to start. If you are completely new with affiliate marketing and you don't really know and understand how marketing works, it can be very enticing to hear when people say, I'm going to put $1 in and get $2 out. In most cases, if you have no idea what you're doing, you are going to put $1 in and lose $1.50 because you are chasing that dollar. Now, it can be incredibly enticing to get started with, say, like YouTube ads, which is a very good opportunity. But what I want you to do, and what I recommend that you do, is absolutely learn marketing, learn what works on the free traffic method, and then you can actually scale with the paid traffic. So free first, pay later. Number 5, I actually recommend that you buy the product. Now, you don't have to buy the product in order to promote a product, but I recommend if you're promoting something like Bluehost, it's $245 a month. That will actually help you, A, create content, B, you're going to be able to speak on what works and what doesn't work. Again, when you are creating content and you can talk confidently about the pros and the cons, you can use the cons as an additional way to sell your audience, build connection, and make even more passive income. And that actually leads me to number 6. And number 6 is to offer bonuses. Now, one of the things that I talked about on my TikTok channel is that you should, when doing a review video, talk about the pros and the cons, but use the cons as an opportunity to offer bonuses. Let's say, for example, you are selling Bluehost as an affiliate and you realize that one of the cons may be they don't have enough instructions when it comes to setting up WordPress. What you can do is you can offer a bonus, a step-by-step guide, a 30-minute guide or training to show them how to get started with WordPress, show them where to click, where to upload, and the different plugins to use. When you offer bonuses like that based on the cons, you are building a relationship. People are going to know, like, and trust you, and you are going to have a better opportunity to make the sale. Number 7 is to set real goals. Now, setting a real goal isn't, I want to make a lot of money. That's not a goal, that's a wish. What I recommend that you do is be honest, say, I have no experience, I have no skills when it comes to affiliate marketing. So my goal is simply to collect 10 emails this month. Once you meet your goal, that's going to provide you the confidence to show you that, yes, you can make money and you can build a real online business with affiliate marketing. But make sure that you're setting real attainable goals so that when you look back at the end of the month, you're not frustrated, mad, and ready to give up. In my opinion, most people quit affiliate marketing too early because they set unrealistic goals. For example, you set a goal of making $500,000 in the first year when you have no experience in marketing and you really don't know what you're doing when it comes to affiliate marketing. So sit down, be realistic with yourself and be realistic with your family and say, these are my goals for the next 3, 6, and 9 months. Meet those goals, and then you can actually scale much further faster because you're going to have that confidence that I referenced a little bit earlier. Number 8 is the 80-20 rule. You want to make sure that you are providing 80% value and 20% selling. For example, in all of my videos are all content, and then I do have a call to action where I encourage you to click a link at the beginning of the video and then at the very end of the video. Otherwise, it's all value. When you are adding value, people are going to know, like, and trust you, and they're going to be more readily and comfortable clicking on your links, joining your email list, and eventually purchasing what you have to offer. Make sure you are following the 80-20 rule so that you can build a rapport with someone that you've never met before. Number 9 is to ask for the sale. Now, asking for the sale can also be called a call to action, but you need to do these things or else your customer doesn't know what to do. Now, a call to action can be to join an email list, to watch a free video, or to eventually buy the product. Now, it's critically important that your customers need to hear that call to action multiple times so that they do, in fact, take that next step. Again, if you create content without creating a call to action, you are just creating entertainment and not actually selling a product. So again, like my videos, at the very beginning, I add a call to action to check out a free training. And then at the very end, I have a spoiler alert. I have another call to action that I will invite you to at the very end. But make sure that you are adding that call to action so that the customers know what to do next, what the next step is. And number 10, I actually have a bonus here. It is important that you do not do the spray and pray method. I say this all the time. The spray and pray method is jumping on a social media platform. Most common is on Facebook, where you are just spamming your Telegram link or your affiliate link and hoping someone clicks on the link and buys. This almost never works. You are not adding any value, so you're breaking one of the rules. You are not solving any problems. You're not building a relationship with your customer. And so people are going to be very leery, and concerned about clicking on a random link. In general, us on the internet who have used the internet for 20, 25 years are already skeptical on clicking on any links. And so if you're just spraying and praying, the chances of you actually getting a lead in a sale is very, very slim. So if you're doing the spray and pray method, I recommend that you stop because really you're not making any sales. The ironic part is there will be some spray and pray that is on this video eventually. Now that you know how to start affiliate marketing, I want you to click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. When you click that link, it'll take you to a free training that will show you step-by-step how to get started with affiliate marketing. Go to alstongodbolt.com or click that first link in the description to get started today. Watch these videos next to learn even more tips and tricks to make money online with affiliate marketing. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online with affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.